baby loves cat. She says, come play with me. Let's see what happens. Sometimes cat likes to hide. Yeah, where's the cat? Where's the cat, Kiwi? Where's the cat? Yeah, good little kid. Right there. The cat is in the box. He is in the box. He's hiding in the box. Right? And the baby, oh, can't find him. So she says, where is cat now? Where is cat? Puri, where is the cat? Where's the cat? Yeah, in the box. Good. It's like, oh, yeah, he's in the box, right? See his tail?
And hopped up into Santa's sleigh.
Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho!
And
Four little elves fell in the snow. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Four little elves went out one day and hopped up into Santa's sleigh. Santa Claus said, ho, 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 ho! Three little elves fell
In the snow. Yeah. This one is a circle, right? Circle. Can everyone make a circle with your finger? Circle. Circle. Make a circle with your finger. Circle. Circle, circle, circle. Yeah, two circles. We can do two circles. One, two. Two circles. Yeah, circles. Like that, right? That is a circle, right? Circle and square. Square we can do like that. Square. One, two. Square. Square. Good, Lala. Good. Yeah, square. Yeah, one L, two L. G. Like that. And then like that. Can you do like, so do like that? And then, like that. Square. Square, square, square. Right? And what color is this square?